Flexi is built for developers, freelancers, and agencies who need full control when building custom Shopify storefronts. With modular sections, clean markup, and no bloat, you'll be able to build pages at scale with flexibility. Now, inside the app, you'll see a whole list of different sections that you'll be able to install on your theme. For this demonstration, I'm going to pick a backup theme, and I'm just going to install the image with text section. So I go down here, I hit add section, and then within a few seconds, you'll see the section get installed. Now, once you're inside the theme customizer, you'll be able to quickly add the image with blocks section. Now, one thing that you should note is that you will have to enable the app embed to get started. And the app embed is important to enable because you'll have access to adjusting your primary button, secondary button, font sizes, and a bunch of different global styling rules. Now, another thing to take note of is within each one of the sections, it takes a very modular approach so that you're able to shift and move blocks around, but also there's a structure to every section. So at the highest level, you'll have a section which acts as like the outer container, and you'll be able to swap in custom classes and also page width classes to align with all of your content. Then within that, you'll always have a layout. A layout could be something like a background image or just a simple layout. In this case, it's an image with blocks layout. And then within each one of the layouts, you'll have a group, and the group will be the container or the wrapper for all of the different blocks. Now, with most different section libraries or even themes, you can't really mix and match or move content around it. I've spent countless hours developing different blocks and then redeveloping it just to add something simple such as review stars. Well, in this case, you'll be able to pull in any of your blocks, especially if you're using Horizon, and you can pull in the reviews star block. I won't dive too much into this customizing within this tutorial, but another thing that I do want to show you is over on the product page, you can also add in app blocks. And so within product information, you'll notice that we have a subheading up here that is an app block. We'll also have benefits down here. So we have these checkboxes, and you can add in some of your content or even your own custom icons. Additionally, you can add in an accordion and then pull in your content via statically or through a meta field. Again, I'll keep this brief and under 2 minutes, but feel free to dive into the rest of my tutorials on my YouTube channel to get a better understanding on how to use Flexi.